एक ऑनलाइन एंटरप्रेन्योर के लाइफ में सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है कंसिस्टेंसी. यू कांट कीप योर सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन इनफ टू कैरी अ सर्टेन एक्शन. आपका कोई गोल है, स्टार्टिंग पे यू आर वेरी वेरी मोटिवेटेड टू कंप्लीट द गोल, टू अचीव इट, बट बीच में जाके समवेयर यू जस्ट लेफ्ट लीव इट अलोन. एंड दैट इज़ बिकॉज यू आर नॉट डिसिप्लिन्ड इनफ और कंसिस्टेंट इनफ. आज के वीडियो पे वी विल कवर इट एंड हाउ आई एम करेंटली fighting the battle of this consistency and discipline. How am I making myself disciplined every single day? How am I getting up on time and doing the things that I need to do? इसी के बारे में आज की वीडियो होगी and it might be longer, but if you watch this video till the end, I promise you your discipline will go 10x from what it is right now and you'll be a lot more consistent in your life and in your goals. ठीक है. सो वाई इज़ डिसिप्लिन इंपॉर्टेंट, इसको मैं छोटी वे में कवर कर देता हूँ बिकॉज आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि आपको डिसिप्लिन क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है पता है. बट देर इज़ वेरी स्पेसिफिक रीजन वाई इट इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट इन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, स्पेशली इफ यू आर डूइंग SMMA, e-commerce or any other thing that's digital that is related to digital marketing. ठीक है. So the number one thing that is lacking in people nowadays is just consciousness and discipline, and that is because we are very very dopamine hungry. हमारा अटेंशन स्पैन बहुत ही लो है अभी एंड इसी की वजह से वी कांट कंटिन्यू एनीथिंग फॉर लॉन्गर. इफ़ यू वेंट थ्रू ऑनलाइन कोर्स या फिर इफ़ यू वॉच्ड अ यूट्यूब वीडियो और रेड अ बुक एंड इफ़ यू ट्राइड अप्लाइंग इट जो प्रूवन है एंड इफ यू स्टिल नॉट seeing results, it's because you don't have consistency. किसी भी चीज़ को to get manifested into the reality or to get achieved, you need to do that repeatedly. Gym जाते ही you'll get that pump, but to get consistent result, to get a good real result, you need consistent effort, and that's for every single thing. Especially ये online entrepreneurship की line पे it's very very necessary. So suppose there is a step or tip or hack or strategy to close clients. If you do it for a day or two, you're not going to see any result. You need to do it consistently for a specific period of time. That's how you see result. That's how your momentum will be built. So that is why consistency बहुत ही important है online entrepreneurship की journey में. And इसीलिए इस वीडियो में we are gonna speak कि how do you build it and how have I built it for myself. तो आई थिंक डिसिप्लिन कंसिस्टेंसी जो भी है इसके लिए सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ इज़ कीपिंग योर सेल्फ अकाउंटेबल. ठीक है ना. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? इसका मतलब सिंपली ये है कि नोइंग व्हेन यू आर नॉट परफॉर्मिंग वेल, knowing when you are performing well, knowing when you are not performing at all, just knowing yourself what you are doing really really honestly. ठीक है. A lot of us lie to ourselves. We lie to ourselves very very much. In fact मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा करता था ये. Didn't used to work hard, but I used to lie myself कि हाँ मैंने तो काम किया है. Now when I reflect back, I see कि why I wasn't seeing result was just because I wasn't consistent, just because I wasn't working enough, just because I was doing it for a day, 2, 3, 4, and then I was leaving it. So accountability बहुत ही ज़्यादा important है. To keep yourself accountable, the easiest way to keep yourself accountable is journaling. And इसके बारे में आज मैं बात करूँगा. My way, how I do the journaling, how do I keep myself accountable every day. I'm going to talk about it. And if you just follow that step, you will be able to keep yourself accountable as well. I'm not going to say कि हाँ you're going to see overnight success, but you'll be able to see कि you are doing better than what you used to do before. ठीक है. So simple strategy है journaling का. If you journal every day, you'll know कि हाँ this is the day. By the way, let me explain journaling क्या होता है if you don't know that quickly. Journaling is simply writing how your day went or how you're planning your day every single day. And if you're going to do that every single day, then you'll know कि हाँ how my day went for the past week, for the past month, for the past year, and how you're doing. You'll be able to clearly define or distinguish कि हाँ how I was before and how I am now and how I need to be in the coming months if you know your goal and what I need to do to go there. So this is very very crucial step. You are here right now. You want to get here. If you know where you are, then you will know what you need to do to go here. That's why journaling has helped me the most. Now, my go to method of journaling is this. What I do is I have my own diary. I'm trying to find it. Huh. So, this is the diary that I use to journal every single day. What I do here is, if you see, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it properly or not, but हाँ, I'll just edit करके कुछ कर दूंगा यहाँ पे. What I do is I write the date सबसे ऊपर. यहाँ पे date होगा. The date I am doing the journaling for. उसके बाद here I'm gonna write 3 things. ये सबसे सुबह करता हूँ मैं, ठीक है. There is 2 columns, if you can see here, 2 columns. तो ये वाला कॉलम मैं मॉर्निंग पे करता हूँ. This वाला I'll do it at night. So इस वे में I'll be able to know where I stand every morning and before I go to bed, and I'll be able to plan what I'll do the next day as well. So what I do every morning is I write 3 things that I'm grateful for. सबसे पहले what are the things that I'm grateful for. अब इससे क्या होता है, my day starts very nicely. I know ये बहुत ही cliche sound करता है, and everybody says it, and every time you hear it you'll be like कि हाँ, this is a very cliche thing, but you don't realize how powerful this is. There is this whole law of attraction, movement going on just the principle of gratefulness. And if you understand it and understand how powerful it is, you will realize ki why I'm telling you to do this every single day. 3 things we're grateful for. For example, I woke up. 3 things I'm grateful for. Okay, I woke up on time. I write it down. Okay, I have a really good energy. I write it down. Oh, I closed a client yesterday. I write it down. 3 things that I'm grateful for that comes to my head instantly. You don't need to think much. Joby, if you're feeling good, write it down. If you're alive, write it down. If you had a good dinner yesterday, write it down. 3 things that you're grateful for to start your day. फिर you'll write 3 things that will make the day even better if you do it so. Generally, I'll write the main things that I need to do for the day. Generally, it's reading the book, going through the courses, or attending the client call that has already been booked, or things that I will do, whatever is important and will make my day better. Maybe it can be meeting your grandmother. Whatever is important for you for the day, just write it down here, and that's gonna be how the day will go better. Okay. Now, yes, sub will come all around and just make sense to you at the end, but bear with me for now. उसके बाद what we will do is priorities में 7-8 priorities जो तुम्हारे दिन के priorities है, you'll write it down. It can be okay, do this specific work, meditation, gym, or maybe take a cold shower, or maybe work on blah blah blah, whatever it is. Close message 30 people. Don't be outcome dependent here, but be process dependent. Yeah, I need to do these in priority. Not ki, okay, I need to close a client, I need to message these people, or I need to attend 50 calls, or I need to hit 60 reps, whatever it is. Write it down on priority section. Okay, so this is the thing that you do every morning. Takes around 2 to 3 minutes only, but is very powerful if you do daily. Okay, so ye kar liya. You go through the day, you mark things down as you complete it. I'm not sure if you go to the job, but if you're an online entrepreneur, you'll have the diary in your hand. These are the things that I need to do. Check. And once you do that, फिर रात का टाइम पे, before you go to bed, everything is done. After everything is done, before you go to bed, you'll write 3 things that went well today. ठीक है, टॉप पे 3 things that went well today. Now इस पे क्या होगा कि suppose you wrote 3 things that you need to do, so the day will go good, and you did 3 of them. Just write it down if you think so. But suppose कुछ surprisingly अच्छा हो गया, write it down. या फिर अच्छा नहीं भी हुआ, just write it down, and once you have written it down, just remember it again and feel it again. I'm gonna tell you why is it important in a second, but do this. Write it down, remember it, and feel it again. ठीक है? So once you have written 3 things down, and once you have just done the process like I have told you to, उसके बाद we'll move to the next step. 3 things that can be done better. Sorry if you had some issue with the noise because of the mic, but yeah, 3 things that you can do to make the day go better. उसके बाद you'll write 3 things down. If you think your day was perfect, still write 3 things down that you think can be improved. There is always a room for the improvement, so write 3 things down. And उसके बाद at the end, your score out of 10. Just 10 में से how much do you think how better do you think you did for that specific day. Write it down. So ये सब होने के बाद if you do it regularly, you're gonna see profound changes in your life, like more discipline, more consistency, more happiness. Your life will be more in your control. You'll see that your goals are gonna get achieved faster, easier, and you'll be in general more productive person. Now, why this journal works so good for me, it helped me reach many of my goals, my fitness goal, my business goals, my personal goals, even my relationship goals. It really helped me with it, and why and how it helped me, so I'll let you know in a second. ठीक है? So सबसे main चीज़ gratefulness से you start your day. Now your mindset is set in a very good tone. By the way, I learned this by paying $5,000. So this is a very important tool in your arsenal. Use it very wisely. So you do this. उसके बाद 3 goals that you must do. Be very, very serious about this thing, because if you don't be honest or be serious with yourself, you'll not be able to keep this for long. If you didn't do it, 3 things may you put things that you must do. There is no chance you're not going to do it. Okay? So 3 things, whatever your tasks are, you will do it every day. If you had a goal, break it down on daily basis and write that here. If you want to read 300 books in this many years, write it down. Okay, I need to read 50 pages or something every single day. And yeah, that will be 3 important things. Priorities, any other thing besides, which is not the most important but still is a priority. Uske baad, you do this for the morning, set the tone of the day, and you go along with your day. Raat ke time pe, when you are checking the copy or whatever it is again, you write what went well, and when you visualize or imagine it, you're ending your day in a good tone, and what you put your mindset in, you're going to receive more of that. Suppose you got second in a race. Instead of saying कि हाँ मैं first नहीं आया, if you focus कि हाँ I won the second title, you'll have more confidence. But if you say कि हाँ मैं first नहीं आया, you'll be underconfident. I'm not even talking about law of attraction or something here. I'm just talking about basic common sense. How to elevate yourself properly. How to build self-esteem. This thing builds every single thing slightly. It's not the main course, but it is just क्या बोलते हैं वो कैटलिस्ट. इट्स जस्ट अ कैटलिस्ट. ठीक है? सो उसके बाद 3 things that you can do better. अब इससे क्या होगा कि for the next day you know what you need to focus on. What I always do is, so next thing वाला thing that I didn't do good for today, 3 things that I must do tomorrow में वो चले जाता है automatically. उसके बाद I rate myself out of 10. Starting पे it used to be 1, 2, 3. Gradually it's 6, 7. अभी भी 6, 7 पे ही है. I'm improving it day by day. I'm really, really honest with myself. And this has helped me a lot. So this is my overall journal guide. If you follow it, I'll put a docs below jahan pe you can go and take a copy of it. And yeah, if you really follow it, you will see how goal achievement becomes easier, smoother, and way more fun. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like this video and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Have a nice day.